How to make no one can comment on your videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can comment on your videos on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile here in the bottom, and now click the storylines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and then click privacy and scroll down until you find comments. And if you want to make no one can comment on your videos, just click here no one, and now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.